If you're thinking about booking the Ayodya Resort Bali, then you may be surprised to know that all-inclusive plans are available. It's just not obvious on some of the booking platforms. So to help you out, I've included the Expedia booking link below, which allows you to select all-inclusive for some rooms, and you'll also save a massive 43% on select rooms. However, due to the popularity of this resort, I've also included the trip.com booking link since they typically have more booking dates available. And be sure to check out my personal travel kit and top insurance recommendations to make your journey even more enjoyable and hassle-free. If you do opt for the all-inclusive package, then you'll get all buffet and a la carte meals across multiple restaurants included, along with select alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, and discounts on spa treatments and premium menu items. I'll reveal more details as we progress through this review. Set within Bali's exclusive Nusa Dua enclave, this property benefits from a prime spot on a 300-meter stretch of soft white sand, widely regarded as one of the best swimmable beaches on the island. The surrounding area is gated and meticulously maintained, creating a clean, secure, and low-traffic environment that feels worlds away from the busier tourist zones. Travel time from the airport is around 30 minutes, making arrivals and departures quick and easy. Within walking distance, guests can reach the Bali National Golf Club in just 7 minutes, while the Bali Collection shopping and dining complex offers a mix of local boutiques, souvenir shops, and restaurants without the need for taxis. Those looking to explore will find cultural attractions like the Pacifica Museum, the dramatic waves of Waterblow, and the scenic Giger Beach, all within a short drive. The most budget-friendly choice is the classic deluxe double or twin room, offering 48 square meters of space with a private balcony and Balinese-inspired touches. Prices on Expedia start from around $78 per person, per night with breakfast, based on 2 adults sharing via the link below. For families, the classic grande rooms increase the size to just over 56 square meters, comfortably fitting 2 adults and 2 children. The extra space allows for a larger seating area, while the layout makes it easier to keep everyone together without feeling cramped. These rooms also work well for longer stays, as the additional floor space provides a better separation between sleeping and relaxation areas. Those seeking more privacy and exclusive perks should consider the Ayodya Palace rooms. Positioned in a quieter part of the resort, they include access to a dedicated lounge, a private pool, personalized butler service, and complimentary food and drinks throughout the day. These rooms deliver a boutique luxury feel within a larger resort, making them ideal for couples celebrating a special occasion or guests who prefer a quieter environment away from the main pool and dining areas. The Grande and Palace rooms currently have 43% off via the link below and offer all-inclusive plans as well as breakfast only. Be sure to select the correct option for your room type before reserving. Covering over 11 hectares of landscaped tropical gardens, the property offers a setting that feels more like a self-contained retreat than a standard beachfront hotel. 3 outdoor swimming pools are spread across the grounds, including an infinity pool overlooking the ocean, a lagoon-style pool surrounded by palm trees, and a dedicated children's pool. Fitness and recreation options are extensive. Guests can make use of a fully equipped 24-hour health club, join complimentary yoga sessions, or enjoy activities such as squash, mini golf, and beach volleyball. The calm waters in Nusa Dua are perfect for non-motorized water sports, and bicycles are available for exploring the local area. On the beach, loungers and umbrellas are complimentary, and the beach bar provides drink service throughout the day. The Ayodya Spa blends Balinese traditions with modern wellness treatments, offering everything from deep tissue massages to aromatherapy, and all-inclusive guests receive a 15% discount on spa services. For events, the resort's facilities can host up to 2,000 people, making it a popular choice for weddings, corporate gatherings, and large-scale celebrations. Evenings here strike a balance between lively and relaxed, offering something for both families and couples. The Balinese Theatre hosts regular cultural performances, including a dinner show that combines traditional dance and a multi-course meal, included for guests on the all-inclusive plan. At the beachfront Ayodhya Beach Club and Grill, live bands and acoustic acts perform against the backdrop of the Indian Ocean, creating a laid-back atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. Families benefit from the dedicated kids club, Camp Ananda, which offers a mix of supervised indoor and outdoor activities, including treasure hunts, arts and crafts, and splash pad playtime. This gives parents the flexibility to enjoy some quiet moments by the pool or beach while children are engaged and entertained in a safe environment. If you enjoy variety when you travel, you're going to appreciate the dining scene here. You can start your morning at Waterfall Restaurant, which serves a huge buffet from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Think fresh tropical fruit, made-to-order eggs, Asian breakfast favorites, and plenty of pastries. I like that you can take your time over breakfast without feeling rushed, especially if you've booked all-inclusive. For lunch, you can head to Ayodya Beach Club and Grill for seafood and salads with your toes in the sand, or grab something quick at Surfer's Corner Poolside Cafe between swims. If you're craving something with more spice, Ganesha X Sanskriti does excellent Indian curries, while Java Hut is perfect for coffee and light bites in the afternoon. Evenings give you plenty of choice, from Japanese dishes at Genji to a beachfront seafood dinner as the sun sets. I'd recommend booking at least one dinner with an ocean view. The setting is hard to beat. A few tips can help you get the most out of your stay. The resort's size means there's always something happening, which is great if you enjoy a lively atmosphere, but you can also find quieter corners if you know where to look. The palace pool and gardens are perfect for that. If you like a prime spot by the beach, heading down earlier in the morning usually gives you more choice of loungers. The same applies to dining. Popular venues can fill up quickly in the evenings, so it's worth making a reservation if there's a restaurant you really want to try. For guests who prefer more contemporary interiors, the upgraded room categories offer fresher finishes and a few extra touches of luxury. And while the beachfront attracts the occasional vendor, it's easy enough to relax undisturbed if you choose a seat closer to the water's edge or stick to the poolside areas. When you compare what's included here to similar beachfront resorts in Bali, this property holds up well. Even if you book a breakfast-only rate, you still have complimentary access to the pools, the private beach, the gym, and a long list of daily activities. For families, the free kids club and water play areas can easily save you from having to arrange outside entertainment, while couples staying in the palace wing get a more exclusive experience without paying the kind of rates you'd see in destinations like the Maldives or Fiji. With its range of dining options, extensive facilities, and a location that puts you right on one of Bali's best swimming beaches, the overall package offers a strong return on what you spend. This resort is an easy pick for families who want a beachfront base with plenty of space to play, swim, and explore. It's also a good match for couples who enjoy a more upscale setting with landscaped gardens, scenic dining spots, and peaceful corners to escape the busier areas. For weddings and group events, the combination of large open spaces, elegant indoor venues, and a picture-perfect coastal backdrop makes it a practical and beautiful choice. Book your stay using the link below to lock in that 43% discount before it's gone.